Why is it important to fix your marketing funnel? So marketing funnel is the tool that shows how your business works. And your business works only in one way. It brings money. It drives money to your banking account. If your marketing funnel is broken, then this money engine is broken, right? So once you start working on your marketing funnel, you start getting the expected amount of money. And the miracle about it is the following. You may spend one and the same sum of money on the top of the funnel and fix the middle of the funnel and get even more at the bottom of the funnel. So which means you have the same costs, but even more profit. While fixing the marketing funnel is vitally important for your business, so let's study how we can do that. My name is Valerie, this is Dashly YouTube channel, and that is the place where we share a lot of marketing and sales secrets so that you can boost your business. Don't forget to subscribe. The marketing funnel may be fixed in two ways. The first way, you're working on one stage of the funnel, improve that, and get more conversion rates further. The second way is reducing the marketing funnel. Let's see which type of option you need. So you work on a particular stage of the funnel to improve that. Once you understand that the conversion rate further is not very much satisfying. For example, you see that a lot of people are going through onboarding, but not so many people are actually subscribing to your service. There is something between the onboarding stage and the subscription stage. Well, definitely you're going to move back and work on the onboarding stage. So that is actually the place for your experiments. Probably you are going to introduce live chat to the admin panel of your service so that people who are getting acquainted with your product may easily type in their questions to the customer support, or probably they are going to get some prompts from your chatbot. Well, that is just one way how to work on a particular stage of the funnel. If you are from e-commerce, probably you have a lot of people who say goodbye without actually moving to the cart. Like they add a lot of products but never go to the checkout stage. Do they have questions about the shipping? Do they have questions about your company, like who you are? Do they have questions about the characteristics of your product? So that is again a room for improvement, and that's where you're probably going to again introduce a live chat on your website or some other prompts. Probably you're going to show pop-up, that is inviting them to watch videos on YouTube or something else. Well, this is just another example how you can work on a particular stage of the funnel. Definitely you know what type of experiments you might introduce to your marketing funnel. Next way to fix your marketing funnel is reducing that. Let me give you an example. Your content marketing is driving a lot of leads. You collect their email addresses, then you work on the email marketing, then you invite them via email to sign up. Then after sign up, they are going through onboarding, then subscribe to your product. Well, you may have a yawning gap between the email and actual sign up to your product. So say goodbye to email marketing. Once people land your blog, go invite them to the demo session or straight to sign up to your product. So you have reduced your marketing funnel. Definitely that is a field for experiments. And here is one more example for e-commerce. Like people are checking what products you are selling and you're giving them a wonderful opportunity to order in a really fast way with just clicking one button, which means people don't have to add the item to the cart, then move to the cart, then fill in all the information about the delivery, etc. Like they like the product and they're purchasing it straight away. What is the perfect place to start fixing your marketing funnel? That is not the top of the funnel and that is not the middle of the funnel. Definitely that is the bottom of the funnel. So it would be kind of unfair to your business to start investing in getting more and more people visiting your website if you have a big hole at the bottom. So if the bottom doesn't convert people to the standing customers. For example, if you have SaaS product, you start with the conversion to subscription. And if you have e-commerce business, you start with the checkout. You initiate different hypotheses, how the stages may be improved, you work on that, you get the desired result, and you move up and up and up. So the most important thing about fixing the marketing funnel is that it's not only about marketing actually, it is also about the product, the customer support, the sales process, well, everything about your business. So make sure working on your marketing funnel is a non-stop process. And actually that's how you're going to bump into new features. You're going to initiate even more ideas for your content marketing. You're going to train your sales. You're going to work on the structure of the customer support, etc. So fixing your marketing funnel means actually running business. So work on that, make that part of your planning, monthly, weekly, yearly. Enjoy the process of getting the money from the market using your great product. And Dashley team is here to support you. See you in the next videos. Bye.